Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Better Me Blossoming. My name is Elena and this channel is all about my weight loss journey, lifestyle, recipes, and things like that. Today I'm bringing you a what I eat in a day so you can have a better idea of the kind of foods that I eat for lunch and dinner, or sometimes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Today I'm just having lunch and dinner because I do intermittent fast. About 5 to 6 days a week. Just forgive my background, I am running a lot of errands today, so I am going to film my intro and outro in the car, and I am going to show you a mix of takeout. I went to a restaurant called Nuke's, that's kind of like a Panera, picked up lunch. I'll show you that when I get in the house, and then I'm going to cook dinner tonight and I'll show you what that is. So if you like videos like this, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more, and let's just get right into what I'm having for lunch. This is a salmon Caesar salad that I picked up from Nuke's Eatery, which is a restaurant kind of like Panera. I asked for no croutons, and it comes with this Caesar dressing. I'm going to use about less than half of this, and I also added cucumbers and tomatoes to mine, and that is my lunch. For a snack, I had these folio cheese wraps. I put some avocado mayo on top. I was getting a little hungry between meals. I topped it off with some spinach and arugula. I added some cucumbers and some bean sprouts on top of this. And then on top of that, I added some of this avocado oil. And then I topped it off with some Himalayan salt. I topped all that off with some turkey deli meat. And then that's it. That is my snack, this roll up. You can have this as a meal too. I was just getting pretty hungry. For dinner, I made this delicious beef and broccoli. I will link the recipe down below. I've made it before. I decided to make it again. You guys, it is so good. It is officially my favorite keto meal. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I eat in a day. Hopefully it gave you some ideas for when you're like eating out or cooking at home, just some easy meal ideas. I'm going to link that broccoli beef recipe down below if you want to try that. Oh my gosh, it is so amazing. Like my favorite keto recipe so far. Yeah, if you like this video, again, please give it a thumbs up. And my next video is going to be posted on Tuesday. I'm going to be doing a meal prep and also weighing in to see how much weight I lost during this past week. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.